Hello, welcome to another tutorial for FDCIautos.com. This is an admin tutorial for customers and customer groups. Now, customer groups is pretty essential to how the car payments work, simply because that's how you define the prices. As it stands, there's only one car payment product inside of the system. Now, whenever they click on make a payment, that product loads and it's $1,000. When they log in, it sees that their username is attached to a user group or a customer group that has a specific price attached to it. And I'm going to show you how to do that here in just a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Before we do that, my name is Aaron Texter. You can visit my website at atgfx.com. That's Alpha Tango Golf Foxtrot X-ray.com. All right, so we'll go ahead and get started with the tutorial. Go to the admin section. It's fdciautos.com/admin. Type in your username and password and click login. Okay, we're in the dashboard. Now, we're going to go to customers. We're going to go to manage customers. We're going to take a look inside of there for just a second. Now, if you remember earlier, in one of the front end tutorials, I created this account right here. Notice that it's in the general group. There's also not any information attached to it, simply because I've not placed an order from the front end. But what I am going to do is show you how to assign it to a different user group. So, but before we can do that, let's go to customer groups. You'll see I've already got a couple of custom ones created back here. For now, I'm going to delete the group. Delete the custom group. Click OK. I'm going to delete this one as well. Delete custom group. Click OK. So now I'm going to go ahead and create one. Click Add New Customer Group. I know that this is a customer I've talked to. Sold them a car. We've worked out the payments, so on and so forth. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and type in my name, since that's the customer we're going to apply it to, and they are a retail customer. Click Save Custom Group. Boom, I just created a custom group. Now, if you remember one of the earlier tutorials, I talked about index management and cash management. Index management needs to be refreshed now, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. And then I'm going to click Select All, or you can just check the one that needs to be re-indexed. I'm going to click Submit. This re-indexes the data for the site and make sure that everything is current and up to date. All right, now we're going to go back into customers. And here's what I'm going to do. This customer, I know that's who I'm talking about. That's the person that I sold the car to. Got all the stuff worked out with them. That's the person I just created the custom group for. And here's their information. From here I can see what they've done, what they've got going on. I'm going to go to account information. And under customer group, I'm going to select Aaron Texter. I'm going to click Save Customer. And that's it. Now I've changed the customer's group. I can add a new customer while I'm here if I'd like. I'm not going to do that just yet. For now, I'm going to show you why custom groups are important. Let's go to Catalog. Let's go to Manage Products. Now, there is a product in here that says Make Payment. It's down at the bottom. And click Make Payment. Now, let's look at prices. The cost of it is $1,000. If you got somebody with $1,000 car payment, good job. Sorry for the humor. All right, so now I'm going to change the price for a particular group. This is under tier price. I click Add Tier. For all groups, it's not what I want to do. I just want it for Aaron. Whenever he orders one, or whenever he does for one car payment or above, I'm going to change the price to $62.81. Now I'm going to click Save. And just to show you what that did, after it saves, remember me talking about cash management? Let's go ahead and refresh the cash management. Once again, click select all, or you can just select the one that needs to be refreshed. I'm going to go ahead and click submit. While that's loading, I'm going to go ahead and go into the front end of FTCIautos.com just so you can see exactly what went on. Okay, we're going to make a payment through through the new payment system. This is not available for access and won't be until Monday, August 15th. But after August 15th of 2011, the new payment method will be available, and the old payment will be unavailable after September the 15th, 2011. So that's just a reminder. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and paste in the code for adding one to the cart. This is a payment. You'll notice it says $1,000 here. This is because I'm not logged in and it doesn't know what my payment should be. So I'm going to click login, and we're going to do the info@atgfx.com, since that's the one that I registered for and just set up the user group for. Click login. We'll go back to my cart. Look at that, $62.81. That's a lot better than $1,000. This is what my payment will be every time I log in and go to make a payment. This is what setting up that customer group did. I assigned a unique price to the customer group associated with this account that I'm using right now, and gave it a price of $62.81. I can only add one in there. Let's go ahead and go to proceed to checkout. I'll just kind of show you that at a glance. First thing it shows is billing information. This is for my credit card. I'll go ahead and put in my billing information here. Chevy Chase Drive, Sorrento, go to Florida, 32776, 352 551 151. Oops, 1511. Have no fax number. I'm going to click continue. Now that I have done this, that information will continually be in the system associated with this account. Until this account is deleted, that billing information will be there. If I ever need to change the billing address, I can easily do it from here, or I can do it from inside of my account, which is up here. I'm not going to go through the rest of the checkout processes because it's pretty much exactly the same as any other website you've ever checked out before. You put in your credit card information, you click continue, you review your order, and then you verify that you want to make the payment, and that's it. Now, like I was saying, this is all done from back in here in the customer groups. We'll go look at this. This is the customer group I created specifically for that account. Manage customers real quick just to finish up with the overview. You'll see that it's in the group Aaron Texter. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that one more time. That is under account information and then customer group. Select Aaron Texter, save customer. And just to show you where you do the prices again, catalog, we'll go to manage products. Now mine is showing all of them, just so you know. This is a little tip. If you want to see all of the products, you can see up to 200 of them at a time. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom because that's where the make payment is. Click make payment. Now go to prices, and this is where that tier is. If I want to add another tier to another group, let's just say that wholesale is something else. I can add one, and I can change the wholesale customers to $75. You know, now they have a tier. I'm going to go ahead and delete that just for this. Click save. Done. Still saving, still going. That's about it. Go ahead and clear my cart. Let's clear that. Click here to continue shopping. So I think that's it for this video. That kind of shows you the customer groups and how to manage customers and things like that. I'll do another video that will walk you through the entire process for a new customer as an administrator. Let's just say that you're sitting there, you've sold the car, you know, you're going through the paperwork of filling all the information out, and I'm going to show you exactly what that process will be for the website. Shouldn't take but just a couple of minutes to do every time. And literally, while you're sitting there talking to the person, you can do it and them never have any idea that that was a part of the process. Not that it would matter if they knew or didn't know. I'm just saying it will take that little amount of time. So I hope the video has been informative, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My name is Aaron Texter. My website is atgfx.com, Alpha Tango Golf Foxtrot X-ray.com. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.